Now we are going to learn the binomial naming system of genus and species. The binomial system of naming species uses the Latin words. Each name has two parts, and this is why it is called binomial. The first part is the genus to which the organism belongs, and it is written with a capital letter. The second part is the species to which the organism belongs, and it is written in a lowercase letter. Now, these two names should be underlined if they are handwritten, or they should be in italics if they are printed. For example, the human beings belongs to the genus Homo, and our species is Sapiens. So the scientific name for the human beings is Homo sapiens, and it should be written in Latin words. Now the question is, why did scientists use the scientific naming of living organisms? Well, this is because there is a huge variety of living organisms, and the number of different languages spoken means that the same organism can have many different names around the world. And this makes it impossible for one biologist to know what organism another is talking about. So, in order to solve this problem, the binomial system that was put forward by Carl Linnaeus was invented.